hell? This is so weird. Just like snap of a finger. It went from 30-mile-an-hour winds all day, gusts, to like 60. Chairs blown off into the driveway, glass pieces blown everywhere. I heard a big boom. It sounds like a tree came down. Power went off. Woo! Volatile day. Volatile. Whoa, that's crazy. You guys couldn't see that out of the corner over here. It's out of sight. One of my bird feeders just flew off of the hook. Snow one day and hurricane force winds 2 days later. I'm honestly waiting to see a funnel cloud, guys. I'm not kidding.